Oh, well, I travel with Virgin Trains all the time, and ticking's been amazing. Like, I'm constantly losing things like my keys and phone, and at least now I don't have to worry about losing my paper ticket.